Wanna learn how to change a language on a Sharechat app? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. Today, I'll be using Chrome. You can use a suitable browser of your choice. For that, tap on Chrome, tap on the search or type web address. Enter here sharechat.com. This will take you to the official site of the Sharechat. You can see that it's my homepage and I'm already logged in. Tap on this profile icon on the bottom right corner to confirm it. Alexa Gill, that's my name. So make sure to get logged in just like me. Now tap on these 3 straight parallel lines on the top left corner. You can see just below Sharechat, there is an option of Bhasha, which means language in Hindi. And Hindi is the basic language that is going on for me on this app. So if I want to change it into any of my native language or even my favorite one, all I have to do is tap on this Bhasha. And yes, there's an option for you on the top which is telling us Apni Bhasha ko badle, which means change your language. And these are all of the native languages around India. So to select one, you need to tap on the circle in front of that particular language. So I want to select Punjabi, so I'm going to tap on circle just in front of Punjabi. So just by doing it, you can see that my font language has been changed from Hindi to Punjabi. So these are all of the Punjabi text here. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.